The pants match the belt match the shirt, the shirt.
Hello guys, it's your favorite YouTuber Angela. Today I'm going to be taking you guys on a few days in my life. I hope you guys enjoy. This is another college series. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm so excited.
Talking the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my.
Today is Saturday, 23rd of March. I'm going to make my hair today. My hair appointment was for 9 or shifted to 10. So yeah, see you guys later. I'll see you guys when I get to my location and when I'm leaving. So you guys should not actually miss me. I'll be back soon. Like this. Bye. So you guys, I was going to show you guys my outfit. It's presently 9:40 and I'm just wearing a baby top, a sweatpants, and slippers. And I just had my hair because like I sectioned it. Morning guys, today is Sunday. Yesterday I was so tired to like tell you how my day went, coupled up with the fact that there was no light. So like I was just stressed out yesterday, but like this is the finishing result of the hair. So like I want to pack the hair because like I'm heading to church right now.
If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated.
So today I'm going to layer on the silver jewelries. It was a hassle trying to wear a bracelet.
2,000 years later.
Right, I got this bracelet from a friend. Yeah. What's the giving? Corporate party. I want to put on lip balm because I mean, why shouldn't you? It's really essential. I actually love the way I'm looking. Yeah, I want to spray some deodorants because that's important. Sorry, some perfume because that's important. It's not go out. Hey, you can do that as far as you're not going to smell. Yeah, it's just to elevate your smell. My friend is going to pick me up rather. She's going to pick me up in a while. I like them even earlier than her because usually I'll just even be coming out from the toilets and then she'll have to like leave before I come downstairs. So yeah, I'm good to go.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime.
So you guys, today is obviously you've seen that today is Monday. So I went to get my logbook for my IT. So yeah, nothing really has been happening. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hello guys. Hi, I was going to show you guys my outfit. Yeah, today is Tuesday. Tuesday is for what? Hi guys, so I was hungry, so I went to get donuts and eggs. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. You're now one of my elite employees. Okay, hi guys. You guys, we're going to the farm today. I became a farmer overnight. My school made me a farmer. I want to be clean. I have to go and pick up my friend, and we head straight to the destination. Pardon my manners, but yeah, I'm just wearing this basic top and then this gym pants. Yeah, I have to put on Crocs. The last time I put on slippers, I thought we were just going for sightseeing. I don't know that we're going to farm. Like, I mean, we farmed. So I have to put on Crocs to the farm. So yeah, see you guys later. Ikram, say hi.
Hi, check out the
Let's go to the farm.
I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract down on
That's like what is that? So you guys were at the farm and I'm going to show you. I want to show you where, like, this was here. Here was where I plowed. Is it plowing? Tilling. Tilled. Plowed. I did everything you can think of here, but like waiting for our instructor. We're waiting for our instructors and other course reps, and I'll keep you updated on the next thing we're doing. You guys, I'm on the hunt to find cassava. I don't know what cassava looks like. Ow! But yeah, let me show you what it looks like. Let me show you where we're searching for cassava. They did not give us cassava. Is that cassava? What? Because I finally found cassava.
Yeah, finally found cassava.
Today is Saturday. I was heading to the gym and then I realized that I haven't ended this vlog. So I'm here to end it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification button so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. You guys, I'm trying to be consistent. I know I post and the next minute I'm gone, but I'm trying to be consistent. And if you have any content idea for me, you want me to post a specific kind of content, make sure write it down in the comment section below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
But it's been a few hours and it feel like days.